So I've been seeing videos on TikTok where they keep telling everybody if they buy these whole life insurance policies, they can use them as collateral against loans. You don't have to pay these loans back. There's no interest, and it's some well-kept secret amongst the wealthy for us to maintain our money. And I'm making this video to explain to you why this is all complete bullshit and misinformation. So number one, we do not use whole life insurance policies as collaterals for loans because it's one of the worst and most ignorant things you can do in order to obtain a loan. Number two, you have to maintain a whole life insurance policy for at least 10 years before you can use it as collateral against a loan. Number three, there are interest rates on that said loan. That is a complete lie. And of course, those interest rates vary depending on that said company. And on top of this, the only thing out of all of that that is actually true is the fact that you don't have to pay the loan back. However, keep in mind that these type of loans, you can only take a loan out that is lesser value than what is in that said whole life insurance policy. It's not like a traditional loan where I can take $50,000 and get a $500,000 plus loan on that 50 grand. Let's say, for instance, your whole life insurance policy only has $100,000 in it. Well, you're only going to be able to take out a loan that's around $50,000 to $60,000. Again, those percentages vary based on per company. However, not only is 50 to 60 grand in your insurance policy on hold now, there are also interest rates that are on hold on that money. So let's say you die and your daughter's the beneficiary of your life insurance policy and there's 100 grand in that account. Well, she's not getting 100 grand. She's not even getting the 50 grand that you now have to pay back because they're going to take that money out before they give it to her. But they're also going to take out interest on that. And on top of that, some of these companies have fees if you don't pay it back, or penalties in their words. And she'll have an even lesser amount. So by doing this, you're actually screwing over your beneficiary. So also keep in mind, again, you can only take out a loan that's a lesser value. And on top of it, you have to pay interest back. And they will take that money out of your said insurance policy if you die. So why this makes no sense and why it's one of the stupidest ways you could go about obtaining a loan is because it makes no damn sense. You might as well just take that same amount of money, put it in a savings account, and take that money out of your savings account as you see fit and using it in the same way, and you won't have to pay interest on it. And you could just put the money back whenever you feel like, again, without interest rates. Don't listen to this misinformation. These people don't know what they're talking about. They see this random crap on YouTube or on websites, and they think it's true, not knowing anything about it, giving you all misinformation, and then they waste your time and day. So with that said, please share and like the hell out of this video so we can counteract all the bullshit on this misinformation.